Hey everybody, Josh here with my second review of the day, with Autobot Allspark Wave movie line salvage door. I know that was all wrong, but ignore it. Anyway, salvage is he's a red color. He's basically just a repaint of Dropkick. I really prefer this color figure because he's more bright, but besides that he's pretty cool, and it has a cameo. I don't know if you would call it cameo, but I don't know what you want to call it. Right here, see where the Autobot symbol is. On top of it, the words say spark plug and sun. That is basically spark plug PG one. And this guy's pretty cool. He has blue light piping, and he has an Autobot insignia right there, if you can see it. Right there. This guy's pretty cool. He has a weapon that with a gimmick on like lockdown. Those claw thing. Go back in to form the unit piece. So let's just take this off and explain the posability. This guy has good posability. He's on all ball joints except for, well, actually his legs, he only has one ball joint, and that's right there. And the rest are just, I don't know what you would call them. They're just those little, I guess they're screws, I'm not sure. But, and he only has about 2 ball joints in him, but he's pretty posable. I like this guy because of his posability and everything. So, let's transform him. First off, what you want to do is dual cannons. If I forgot to mention, he has dual cannons. Flip them up. Get the front piece of the grill, put it in front of the dual cannon so you can't see it. Look down the things on the feet. Arms, make them go down like that for now. Then adjust the arms like that, like right here. Then next thing you want to do is push down his head, and then put this top piece down. Okay. Then right here, push those together. Try to do them at the same time. It may be tricky when you first get them. Next, right here, okay, right there. If you can see it, there's a little gray thing. That you're gonna flip it. And so do that right now. Then turn it outward. Open the door, then you push this down to lock in the door. Do that for the other side. Put in the pieces of the grill. There you have the front part of the truck. Next, we're going to the back. So pull out this piece, make it to about like that. Right here, grab it, split it, So you can see the gas tank right there. Flip down right there. Flip that down. The same for the other side. Push the piece I just showed you right now up. This point in the back page. Right here, flip in these pieces. I've done this in a while. Do what I'm doing. Oh yeah, right here. Flip it. That. Push this down. Lower it down. And then just basically, let's say first, the feet peg in together. Peg them. Like that. There you have his truck. Get this piece. He has two pegs. You can't really see that, but put it on. He has a gimmick in the small chin. His claw comes out, but it looks ridiculous because what are you gonna need a giant claw for? Can't hitch it on anything. I forgot to give him size comparison. But he's about the height of Long Arm. I prefer... I like him and Long Arm are like... I don't know. They just have a lot of similarities. That's why they look good in robot mode next to each other. So, yeah. His doors can't really open. They could open if you get his wheel up, but all you see is kibble, so get the wheel back in. This is a good figure. I recommend him. I don't really recommend him over Dropkick, because Dropkick has I don't know, they're about to tie, because Dropkick shows off that he's a Decepticon. He's showing it off to the world, especially Jess. But this guy doesn't really show it off, but he does, because they're just on his doors and hey, let's open the door. Oh, what's that? What about a symbol? Yeah. Yes, they both show off to their insignia, but they both are good in their own ways, so I recommend this guy. Looks. Here's him compared to Lockdown. They're the same length, though, but with the engine, he's about a centimeter smaller compared to Salvage. I'm saying that right. Okay, and that's my review on Salvage. I definitely recommend you pick him up. So, yes, pick this guy up. He's a good figure. I recently got him. Well, not recently, because I had him for about 2 months, maybe even a month. But my next review will be on status is pending. But this is the end of my second review of the day. So thanks for watching. He's let's see, 7 to 8 out of 10. Thanks for watching.